Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to launch a Incognito window on Google Chrome. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Launch the Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC. Click on the three dots icon available on the top right corner. An options list will open. Select the New Incognito Window option from that list. That's it. An Incognito window will be successfully opened on your Chrome browser. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+N to open the Incognito window. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.